truck. Welcome to the fire station's emergency response center. I'm firefighter Kiki. There is an emergency call for help. What shall we do? Firefighter Kiki, the baby foxes climbed up the tree for fun and now they can't get down. Please come and save them. Miss Maymay, don't be afraid. Firefighter Kiki will act immediately. Tap the bush. The baby fox is hiding behind the bush. Slide the joystick and go to the bushes above for rescue. Tap the bush. The baby fox is hiding behind the bush. The baby foxes were successfully found. Look, the pool is short of water, and the wooden bridge cannot be crossed. Let's fill the pool with water. Drag the hose to fill the pool with water. Fantastic! The wooden bridge has floated up and it can be crossed. Oh, I spilled my goods all over the road. Can you help me? Don't worry, we're here to help. Put the goods in the right place. Apples. Grapes. Pears. Eggplants. Corn. Peaches. Thank you. There is an emergency call for help. Oh no, the supermarket is on fire and many people are trapped in the supermarket. Firefighter Kiki, please come to the rescue. Don't be afraid, Fuzzy. The fire rescue will start immediately. There are 4 trapped people in the supermarket. Let's start looking for them. There is an obstacle. Fire axe can split all blocking boxes. Move Kiki to find the trapped people. Choose protective tools for the...
Oh.
The gas mask has strong protection. It can help isolate smoke and toxic gases. There's a fire. Put it out. Fire extinguisher can put out all fires. Choose protective tools. Thank you. There is an obstacle. Choose protective tools. Thank you. There is an obstacle. The emergency shovel can shovel away all obstacles. The trapped person is struggling to breathe and needs help.
Yeah.
Thank you. Rescue all trapped people. Which path do you want to take? You've reached the finish line. Time to draw a prize.